Here's what most homeowners don't realize until it's too late. The first heat wave is the worst time to replace your AC. Companies are slammed. Emergency pricing kicks in, and you're stuck sweating while you wait. If your system is over 10 years old, the smart move is upgrading now, and it's way more affordable than you think. B&B's March Madness sale gets Maryland and Virginia homeowners 10% off installation, thousands in state and manufacturer rebates, and 0% interest for 60 months or flexible low monthly payment options. And if you had heating issues this winter, we'll handle that too. Click below before this limited time offer closes.